Hey everybody, welcome to our Bold Patents Wichita, Kansas page. I've got a lot of resources for you, inventor, entrepreneur, technologist. I'm excited to help you out. I know this journey can be daunting and it can feel lonely even. As an inventor, I've worked with a lot of clients over the past decade plus and picked up a few things. And so in this city, specifically here in Wichita, I've done some research and outlined on this page my top 5. So let's get into number 1. If you're starting things out and you want help, you've got to check out what used to be called the E2E Accelerator. Now it's called the NXTUS. That's the NXTUS. This is the premier entrepreneurship and incubator accelerator. They've got mentorship, access to capital, right? Pitch events, think Shark Tank, plus, right? And pilot programs. They've had 2,700 startups launch out of them and over $8 million in funding. Can't miss them. NXTUS. There's tons of alumni that have had success coming out of there. One quick warning, as I always advise inventors and our clients at Bold, before you jump into an accelerator or an incubator where you might be giving up equity or giving up some confidentiality, protect your inventions first. So get hold of us, book a free discovery call, have a chat with one of our licensed patent attorneys to learn about whether you should be protecting what you've come up with, what you've invented, the core, the bedrock of your invention. Get it at least patent pending first before jumping into one of these accelerators. It'll give you a little fresh air, not so much stress about someone else taking your idea or someone else maybe filing it before you do. All right, so number 2, this is the customer traction cohort, specifically within NXTUS. This is about customer traction. So it's a cohort, meaning a group of individuals that are also starting up businesses or also have new technology products. They're in the same place as you are, maybe 1 or 2 steps ahead, or maybe you're ahead of them, and you can both mentor each other. I love this. So this has got a lot of different industries, whether it be fintech or healthcare, but it's all about getting customer engagement, actually getting validation on what it is you're building. You can make those important tweaks and adjustments before you launch, right, on your own in the wild public. You get a nice sort of, call it a gentle treatment of what it would be in true market conditions. So check out Next Stage's customer traction cohort. Okay, number 3, this is the Center for Entrepreneurship at the Wichita State University, WSU, right here, offers educational programs, events, mentorship, and partnerships to help students and community founders launch and scale ventures, is what they say. They've had a lot of different startups over the years, feeling the city's tech ecosystem. Don't miss that. It's an awesome opportunity. Plus, community, connected to the university, which has, like, as you probably know, professors, researchers, and students, which can be very cheap, if not free, labor, might help you get your product move forward if it's something you want to innovate and get help with. Maybe you need someone to help test things out at the lab. The university also might have some of those equipment or resources for free. Caveat again, make sure you're getting with a business attorney or your patent attorney to lock in those intellectual property assets before you go partner up with the university. Okay, number 4, this is Kansas. This is their Apex Accelerator, also through Wichita State University. Apex also was previously called the PTAC, PTAC. It's state sponsored. So it's state and federally funded through the Small Business Association. They've gotten small businesses guided for years. One cool thing about the SBA-backed programs, I usually cite this in other cities as well, but the SBDC, the Small Business Development Center, often are free resources for you to get with mentors, retired executives, those that want to give back to you, the community, and help Wichita thrive. So check out the Apex Accelerator via Wichita State University. Number 5 here, this is cool. This is called the Garages. The Garages. This is a very unique rotating retail incubator. There's a lot right there. There's a lot of R's, but retail incubator. So if you're planning to sell a product or good to retail, direct to consumer, they've got street level in-person storefronts, mentorship, and resources. I kind of picture like farmer's market meets garage inventor. So it really doesn't mean things you can eat, but it's almost like that where you get true customer feedback in a nice ecosystem of those that truly appreciate that you're starting something new and they support one another. So it's a great way to get that customer feedback before launching a real brick and mortar startup. So those are the 5 that I've come up with. Again, if you've got any questions on patents, trademarks, copyrights, or trade secrets, anything intellectual property related, click the link, schedule a free discovery call with us. We'll lay it all out for you, help you get started, and help educate you along the way. I'm JD Hoovener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents. Wish you an awesome day out there. Thanks for hopping on to our Wichita page. Go big, go bold.